Hi, my name is Chris Moritz. I'm part of the services team here at Adroit Technologies. In this second video, we will navigate through the options that you'll be presented, launch the demo itself, and go through to the batching plant interface. Let's go.
All right, guys, let's click on the Ignite application launcher. You'll be presented with a number of different options. First one being run demo configuration, which is the core of the demo itself. Secondly, you can revert this demo configuration back to default. Our second tab shows us the Ignite HMI configuration and licensing options. The first one being AdTech licensing utility. This will allow you to get a view and or update your Adroit product license. You can then create new or change existing configuration. And the Ignite config editor allows for configuring the settings for all other Ignite applications. Further down this list, you have the Ignite HMI applications, namely the agent server, which is the core of the application server itself. The Ignite Designer is the client application in which various configuration takes place. Ignite Operator is the client application used to visualize the configured graphic forms. And the Ignite Agent Configurator allows the creation and configuration of agents in the Ignite Agent Server. Let's move down to Utilities and just mention them quickly. The Agent Browser, the Driver Monitor, the Scanning Monitor, the Agent Server Monitor, the Batch OPC Server, the OPC Browser, and the OPC Server itself, which is 2.0 compliant and exposes each tag in an agent server as an I/O point to an OPC client application. Lastly on this list, we have the Documents tab, giving you 3 different options of PDF documents that you can use to help navigate through this application and demo itself.
Time to open up the Adroit HMI Ignite demo. Let's go.
All right, guys, let's go to the demo. Click Ignite Application Launcher, select Run Demo Application. What's happening in the background here right now is that your agent server and operator is currently starting. Once they have all started, we can go to the batch plant SCADA style. Here you'll see a visualization of what's currently happening at your plant. You have trend charts, alarm lists, you have control buttons, you have various different color and visibility behaviors that will happen throughout the demonstration. You have tooltip and text behaviors. The blue text has been created so that you can change the number, changing the output of the process. You have a tank trend chart over here, and you have an overview of the actual batch status while you go through. I'm now going to start the plant by selecting Plant Start, which is one of the buttons that we've created on the UI. Filler A showing a color behavior. Filling B showing a different color behavior. Various different options that you can choose. We're now adding water to the mixture. We're now mixing. Visibility behavior has just occurred here with color behaviors attached to it, that there is heating taking place. And now we're currently discharging. We seem to have run into our first issue, which has popped up on the alarm lists and also shows a blinking action. We have 2 options here to unblock the valve or at least recognize the alarm. We can manually alarm reset or auto alarm reset for 30 seconds. I'm going to manually reset this alarm. I'm going to clear the alarm in the alarm list and allow for the batch to continue being completed. We've now moved on to the second batch, filling A. This will move on to filling B and continue down the process. Water is being added. The pump has now tripped. Again, this is popped up on the alarm list for your supervisors and operators to look at and recognize. And we have a blinking behavior that's going off right now. I'm going to select auto alarm reset. And in a short time, this will have cleared itself. You can also see that you have different information coming now from your trend charts, which can all be set up to monitor different components of your system. It is now automatically being recognized and the process continues. You have another way to look at this, which is the HMI style, where you can actually change different set points over here as well. You can take a look at filling A, filling B, water, mixing, heating, discharge. This can be completely whitelisted to suit your branding. The icons and information can be changed. This can be scaled larger or smaller as well. And here is the batching simulation OPC server to show you a different phase or view of what is currently happening. Now reached another point where the alarm state has occurred, and obviously in 30 seconds it will be cleared, and we will continue to finish the batches, which we have auto set as 7.
Okay, now that your demo plant is running, in the next video, we will show you how to get into the nuts and bolts, namely the engineering tools used in the Adroit Ignite software, so that you can start getting your hands dirty. See you in video 3.